Have you ever been frustrated when your Angular application doesn't behave as expected? If you found yourself in a situation where two links activate the same router link, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to fix the router link active issue in Angular. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when you want a specific link to be highlighted, but multiple links are activating the same router link. This is a common issue many developers face, and it can be tricky to resolve. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "How can I ensure that only one router link is active when navigating between two child routes?" They want the router link active to be enabled only by the name of the child routes. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this issue? In Angular, the router link active directive can sometimes activate multiple links if they share similar paths. Understanding how Angular handles routing will help us find a solution. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your router links more effectively. To enable the router link active for both child routes, the user should modify the router link active directive in the header component. This will allow the active class to be applied when either of the specified routes is active. Next, the user should ensure that the router link active options are set correctly. By setting exact to false, the active class will be applied when either route is accessed. Now, the user can test the implementation. They should navigate to both routes and check if the active class is applied to the Jogos link in the navigation bar. If the active class is not applied as expected, the user should review the router configuration and ensure that the paths are correctly defined in the routing module. Fun fact, did you know that Angular was developed by Google? It's a powerful framework that helps developers create dynamic web applications with ease. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests modifying your HTML to activate the router link for two different routes. You can use the router link active directive with the exact option set to true for each link. Additionally, update your app module routes to ensure that both routes are recognized. This way, the active class will apply to both the def and GI routes. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your routing logic organized and consider using route guards for more complex navigation scenarios. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your router links should now behave as expected. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Angular tips and tricks. And remember, a well-structured routing system can make all the difference in your application.